What's up, YouTube? So I did get a little carried away and I did a lot of my makeup already. I was supposed to be filming this entire thing, but honestly the contour and the foundation is all kind of like the same of what I normally do. It's like all my same go-tos. It's the Josy's foundation, and for contour I use the Fenty Beauty contour stick in Amber Suede. This foundation is in light neutral 140. For bronzer, like powder, I use the Dior Forever Natural bronzer. Also, if you hear my neighbors, just know that they're like beyond disrespectful and they like to make noise all day long, so they're gonna also be part of this video. Anyways, let's just get into it. It's gonna be like this 2000s siren eye type of makeup look. For the transition shade on my eyes, I did just put bronzer so that it's all kind of like the same, like melting together. This is the palette we're gonna be using. For the inner part of the eye, I wanna use this light blue. And I'm using like a pretty thick, like fluffy brush. I don't really know exactly like what it's for, but yeah, it's kind of like really easy to do your eyeshadow, especially if it's not like a precise eyeshadow look. This one's kind of just like the same color of it everywhere. So I'm kind of just like focusing it on the inner corner, but I'm kind of like dragging it out also at the same time. And then I'm gonna just do that onto the other side. And I love this blue because it's still like a blue eyeshadow, but you can wear it literally every day because it's so almost like gray. So it's still like a wearable, like everyday type of look. Then for the outer corner, we're gonna use like the tiniest bit of this purple. I mean really a tiny bit. I just want to darken up like the outer corner, but I don't want it to be like purple. I just want like a cool tone, like outer color, outer corner color, whatever. You know what I'm saying. I'm just taking my time blending everything out. But I think like key to this look, since it's like a 2000s look, did I just break this palette? No way, I really did. Anyways, what I was saying is that like I feel like the key to this look is keeping everything super cool tone, because I feel like that was like a really big thing in the 2000s and like the 90s. But that's basically it for the eye makeup. Like for the eyeshadow, at least, like on the top. I'm just gonna look down so you can actually see. It's not like too dark. It's still kind of like smoky a little bit, but it's really just like cool tones, colors. That's the start. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, How Many Carats? And I'm just gonna put that a little bit on the center, but I'm not gonna drag it too high up. Now for eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this Nova Beauty gel eyeliner in ASAP. And I'm really just focusing this on the outer corner, and I'm creating like a tiny little baby wing. After that, I'm just gonna blend it out with this Sonia Kashuk smudge brush. I'm also going to take the black and put a little bit on the waterline on the top, on the inner corner, just to kind of like pull everything together, and so that it kind of connects like this eyeliner to here without it being super thick. And then I'm also going to put it on. I'm not going to bring it all the way to the inner corner because I feel like it starts to look a little messy, but I am going to keep it more towards the outer corner, and I'm going to kind of connect it to the wing that we made earlier so that it's all one. Look at the difference with this side and this side. Exactly. Alright, I'm going to do the other side, but I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I did start putting like a coat of mascara on my eyelashes, but I didn't curl them. So I'm trying to decide if I want to just keep them like natural lashes or if I want to put falsies on. For like a 2000s type of look, it's better. I mean, it's like more fitting if you don't use lashes, because lashes I feel like were not that big in the 2000s. But I'm kind of like not in the mood to put lashes on either. For mascara, I'm also using the Super Fan. Smashbox Superfan mascara. They did send it to me, but I've been using it literally ever since they sent it to me, so it's not sponsored, but I do love it, and I'm really picky with mascara. I wouldn't say it really holds your curl. It doesn't like weigh down your lashes. Like I wouldn't say it just like gets rid of all your curl, but it's not waterproof, so it's just not gonna hold like, but it is like lengthening, and it's super black, and it does fan out your lashes like really pretty. For lips, it's like normal. Nothing's changed here. I'm still using the Stone lip liner from MAC. It's literally my favorite. I don't think I'll ever use another one, and I mean that for real. For lips, I'm using this, I have no idea actually what this brand is, but it's the Glass Stain Water Gloss, and it's sparkly. It's got like blue sparkles. And I feel like it is kind of like a plumping gloss because it feels like tingly as soon as you put it on, but it doesn't like hurt. It's not like a burning. It's in the color 00 Meteor Track. Yeah. I did want to use this Milk blush in the color Quickie. It's like this purple. I feel like it goes with like the eye look that we just did. So I'm just gonna put that on this e.l.f. brush, and I'm just gonna tap it onto my cheeks, and since it's a cream, it's kind of gonna give like life back into my makeup before I put setting spray on, because I use like a lot of like matte or like more just like not dewy products. I feel like dewy makeup doesn't really do what it needs to do on me. We just need a little bit of highlight, so I'm gonna use this Fenty Diamond Balm again, and I'm just gonna press that onto my cheeks because it's kind of more of like a glitter, and I feel like it kind of goes with the eyes. Now I'm just gonna take this Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Also gonna go in with the Morphe setting spray. So yeah, this is the final makeup look. I'm gonna go do my hair, but I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I did my hair. I cut bangs right before Christmas, and I don't know, they're so hard to style. I don't think I like them, to be honest, so I just been clipping them, but whatever. So I wanted to zoom you up for this makeup look so you can actually see what it looks like for real. Anyways, that's it for this 2000 siren look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you recreate it. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next one.